I don't know. Can you imagine switching to creative mode, right? Yeah, there we go. All right, the bastards, right? I don't know what happened. I'm doing like some I guess that's just the price I pay for also doing like some creative stuff with my router there. But all right. Long story short, these builds will be community fed, and will hopefully, I will hopefully make it look better than any of these other websites that are currently in existence. That is the summary of my thingamabob here. So that's where I'm kind of at now. Now I just got to figure out how I just jacked this up. Okay, so let's see. So can I read properties of undefined at 364? So what did I do? Oh yeah, I can. I'm gonna need to. So what did I do? It's now making it do all of this nonsense. Find hero, this, and zero. Selected hero, right? Oh wait, hold on. But I didn't change. Yeah, if right, is it for selector, right? And if this is equal to of course. I need double equal signs. Double equal signs. I'm an idiot. Let's get this double equal signs. I bet you now it'll work without no should work without a problem. Yeah, see? Of course. See? Alright, there we go. See that? Alright, so she changes now and it is updating their stats like how I want it. And if I put her to level 18, as soon as I do that, her stats are updated. All right. I make sure to look at all times and check off as often as I can. I appreciate it, and thank you. I'm excited too. But once I get, once I have all of the functionality done, look, I'm gonna tell you right now, straight up, right. Once all of the functionality is done, as far as how I have it envisioned on the coding side of things, I am 100% going to need help on placement. Like, where do you think like certain things should go, right? Do you think like, like the hero stats, right? Should they be like on the left side of the hero or above the hero, right? Maybe underneath. Like, what do you think will look like the best for what it is I'm trying to do? And that's when I get to that point. Like right now, like, because it's just easier for me to, like, I'm getting all the functionality done first, and then after that, right, then I'm gonna start trying to make it look pretty, as they say. And that's when I'm definitely going to need the help, because I can barely dress myself with matching, trying to get colors to match. So we'll see. We'll see how this goes. But thanks for your support. I appreciate the enthusiasm, and like I said, we're gonna be right at it. I'm gonna work on this for like maybe like another hour, and then after that, then I'll go ahead and call it quits, and I will get back on it. I'll probably get right back on it again tomorrow. I'm trying to dedicate at least like 3 days worth of working on this per week, like 3 nights, a couple of hours. Like I said, the functionality I'm pretty strong at doing, so functionality shouldn't take me like a day, maybe two at most, just to finish up my functionality. And then, like I said, then it's about making it look nice. So we'll see how that goes. But all right, now let's go ahead. Let's get back at it. So I am now. Oh yeah, let me close out my stuff here. All right, so I am now. So I got this. I got this part working where whenever we select the hero, right, it's updating their stats. Give some sort of feedback or anything here. Really, not matter how small. Could you give you my Discord? Yeah, man. Just definitely. Yeah, definitely. Like I said, I'd appreciate anything. Big or small, it won't matter. Like any kind of help and advice or feedback, right, will all be loved and appreciated. So I definitely appreciate that. So let's see here. So documents. Okay, so I'm updating hero's level. So now we're going to need to update. So now I want to be able to update these stats with the items that's going to be in the item belt. Very first thing I need to work on is why these other item slots are not taking any draggable items. Why is that? Let's see. My Discord is, at least I think, Viet 66. I'm gonna write this down. Let me kind of capture you. Yeah. Get this Discord here. No, let me come on. Can I do I do this? And then am I okay? So I did copy it. Let me get a sticky note real quick. Let me get a computer sticky note, right? And then okay, let us say learn Discord, and hopefully it will. Hopefully it works. If not, well, we'll know soon. But okay, so I got the Discord here. Okay, so let's see here. So let's see. So okay, so it updates their stats properly whenever I do select this. Cool. I need it to update now when I have items in the block, but I need to get this working first. So let me look at my code here. Find item. I need, where did I put my draggable stuff at? It was a draggable. It was a draggable function. Drag star. Here we go. I was like, man, yeah, your item drag. I really need to make this a little. I need to make this a little bit bigger, man. Hold on. Let me grab this real quick. This is like, this is gonna be important because I can't be like really searching too much like that, right? Item drag function, right? So item drag logic. Let's get that here. Okay. All right. So let's see here. So okay. So cost drag. Oh yeah, that's right. I needed to change this, right? So droppable container. So what's happening is, let's see here. So what's happening is that I have the containers as IDs, right? And you target those with the pound, but I think I was going to convert these into class, wasn't I? To make it easier for me. I think that's what I was planning on doing. I'm pretty sure that's what I was planning on doing, right? That was what was that what it was? Would it make droppable container? No, it's already like that. Droppable container. I need to, yeah, I'm converting them class so that way I can do query select all draggable item. Droppable container. Yeah, that's how I want it. Okay. Okay. Yeah, now I know. All right. Yeah, so we're gonna change this, and then we are going to period that, right? Then I just need to update this to class. So let me highlight all these IDs here. And let me do that again. You, class, right? Update it all at once. Boom. So that's going to be for the classes. Select there, blah, blah, blah. The draggable container, which has the items. Query selector. I wonder. Okay, well, anyway. So this, in my mind, this should actually fix it, right? So if I go here and I drag these items and I broke it. Okay. What did I mess up here? This should have just worked, right? So droppable container, right? Which is these boxes. We're going to select all of the droppable containers. Or is it, let me see something, draggable item. That's right, I just inserted in. thanks, that's the goal there. That's the, I will, trying to provide some value where I can, just trying to provide some value where I can. I'm pretty sure what I actually did is I JavaScript added these nodes into the HTML code. So it's actually not even going to be here. It's going to be over here for items, right? I gotta look and see what the hell I did. These guys, it's right here, right? Class, draggable item, draggable equals true, right? And now it's for each item. Yeah, draggable item, and that's how I did this. So why can't I do this for the droppable container with the ones that's actually already here? Like, they're here. So hold on. Why droppable container? Did I like spell it wrong or something? Dot droppable container. Yeah. I've seen some really weird stuff. Div class droppable container. Oh, I'm sorry. I should probably, yeah, let me change, yeah, then I change you, right? So change you. I forgot about the CSS portion, okay? And no. Damn, even the first one don't even work no more. See, this is the challenge here. Okay. What did I not do here? I guess I could droppable container the add event listener, drag over event, prevent default. Droppable container, add event listener, drop function. Event, get transfer, element, document that create element div, new item. No, wait, wouldn't I just droppable container dot append child, new item? Okay, first I need to see, okay, this is what I need to do first. So first thing I need to do, okay, so we got to go from the top. So let me go from the top here. So I'm going to console log. I am going to console log droppable container. What is actually going on here? So let's open up these dev tools here. Is not a function. Droppable container add event listener is not a function. Droppable container add event listener is not a function. Add HTML document. 59. So it is most certainly having a problem with add event listener with this function. Wholeheartedly start now. Because it was working until like I started changing the classes. So okay. Let me first do this. Okay. So here we go, right? Droppable container, right? And it okay, so it has all of them, right? What's in no name? Do I get it'd be inner HTML, wouldn't it? No? Parent element, owner document, parent element, item belt. Oh, here we go. Outer text, item 1. Yeah, and so now if I go here to the second one, I should see item 2, right? Okay, so okay, so first order of business, right? It's a valid object, I guess would be the proper way to call it. It's a nodeless. Okay, so nodeless. Oh, is that what the problem is? Am I? But no, that wouldn't make any sense because how would it? Yeah, in my mind, it would. I'm thinking it's having an issue with adding the function to each node, but that wouldn't make any sense because then this wouldn't work either. Then, right? Because it should be it's the same thing, right? Item that add event listener and blah 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 blah. Okay, so that's not a problem. Which event listener droppable container? Huh. I am thinking. How did it for each? Oh, so it is actually having a problem doing each one. I was right. I just was like, yeah, I just didn't pay attention to this. See, I hate when people see. I hate these shortcuts because, like, if you're not paying attention to them, you forget that that's function starts. Yep. So for each, okay. So droppable container for each. Yeah. So droppable container. Let me move you down real quick. Droppable container for each. Yeah. I was like, all right. Droppable container for each. Go here. I guess. Yeah. Item. I hate using that thing, but whatever. Okay, item. I'm sorry, just my soul just burns with pain from using like text shortcuts. I know they look nice, but eh. All right, so dress this up. Item, all right, item dot add event listener. So here we go. All right, so now we're actually cooking here. Add event listener. Then we got this event prevent. Okay, then I need to close it. So properly close. Boom, and then oh, actually I just would put that thing there, right? Yeah. Okay. Now I just need to do it for that one, and then that'll be that, right? So move you down real quick. Let's do another one for each. Get a for each here. And then just replicate what I am doing. Item up. Now let's get you here. All right. And then we got item dot add event listener, right? So we're adding the functionality for this for all the item boxes that actually accept an item. Later on, then I'm gonna need to figure out how to keep you from putting more than one item in the box. I kind of have an idea, right? And I just erase the inner HTML. I think that's how that would probably work. Or yeah, I think that's probably how that would work. But we'll figure it out when we get to it. I can just highlight all of this and then push it over. And okay, so now when I close this, this should actually work, right? This should work. This should work. I'm telling myself that this should work. This should work. I'm scared. I am scared, but we'll see. All right, let's refresh. Unexpected input, right? Yes, because I was thinking something's not right. So you have your thing here. You have your thing there. You're okay. So when do you get closed? You get closed down here, right? Yes. And then this gets closed here, and then this gets closed here. Why am I missing something? 525. It's all the way down there. No, it's one of these two. How did I jack that up? See, I knew it was gonna be too good to be true. How did I jack that up? Let me just add my semicolon here. But how did I jack that up? Item, right? Open bracket. This is why right? Item event listener. We just, right? Open bracket. It closes right there, and then this one goes there. This is closed. Yeah. Is it one of these? Is one of these messing with me? No. These are all properly closed. So it's not this one. It shouldn't be this one. This one I properly closed, right? Or am I crazy? That's the bracket. Yeah. All of these are properly closed. Right? Yeah. I'm not crazy. No, these are all properly closed. Did I mess something up right here? Let me see. Bro, what did I jack up? Because see, now the code, what's going to happen is that it's never going to give me an error and tell me like which one is not properly closed. It's just going to let me just sit here and try to like fish this out. Okay, so let me start. You know what? Let's start at the very beginning, this function here. And I think we found it. It's this. That's what it looks like. This closes this, but I never closed the listener. Okay. So what? Do I just go like that, right? No? Where are you closed at? Okay, so I guess, okay, hold on. So bracket, yeah, there we go. And then I close that. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Now, you see what I mean? Like it was never gonna say, what was it saying? It was saying line 525, and that's all the way down here. Like, see it, oh God help me. I hate like when it does that stuff. Boom. No errors. Okay, let's go ahead and let's look and see. So now all these items should take it, right? I guess not. We're getting there. You see, we're slowly getting there. We're slowly getting there. Okay. Why? It was all working until like I just made one change and now it just doesn't work no more. Okay. let me think about this now. So I have my droppable containers. All right, drag over function. We are preventing the default, right? Okay, yeah, I get that. So my point of contention is somewhere in here. So let's look and see what's going wrong. So add event listener. So for each item in here, I'm adding an event listener, right? Preventing the default. Cool. Okay, drag item text. Event, data transfer, get data. Okay, so I just need an output. I need a console output, like each one of these until I figure out now what's what's becoming a problem here. So console.log dragged, okay, dragged item text. Let's start with this one. Does thy one of these is not working properly? So let's look and see. Pen child is not a function. Oh, pen child is not a function. Droppable container. For item each. Item dot add event listener drop item. Right? Yeah. It just needs to go to an item. Okay. Oh yeah, that was easy. That was easy. That was a real quick way of figuring that out. I think that's all I needed right there. It's just I forgot to just update the inner body works. Well, let's take a look now, right? Yeah, see? Boom. Right? Now, we getting there. We're getting there. Look at that. We are getting there. Okay. What's next? I can just real quick because it'll be real easy for me to, and it'll keep me from getting the stuff messed up later. Is add a restriction so that only one item gets added into these little item box things. Let me see here. So instead of a pen child, I think I just want to do inner HTML, right? Because this will reset it every time. Equals. Ooh. Let me copy that real quick. Let me copy that and revert it because let me remember before I go crazy. Okay, yeah, no. So, and let's redo that. Yeah, inner HTML equals the new item. Ooh. I have no idea what is that going to do. What is that going to do? What is that going to do? I'm scared. I'm actually scared because I have no idea what that's actually going to do now that I think about it because that's not gonna. That's what I thought. You see? Let's think about this here. So, okay, so I just thought of the best way to get around that. I'm going to put that back. No. This is what I'm gonna do. I am going to. Let's see here. New item text content equals dragged item text. Dragged item text. Hold on. Okay, hold on. I think I have an idea. If I could just grab the name. Yeah. If I can just grab the name. Is that a. I'm assuming, yeah. It's just a text, right? So that should be a string. I got it. I think I got it. Okay. So if I just grab the name, I can grab the name of the item. And instead of trying to replace anything, I will just have it kind of populate that box or change the stuff in the box, just like my functions already do with populating all the items that you can select from the get-go, right? Because I'm already getting the name. I already have a loop. I already have the function to search for said item via their name right here, right? I'm I'm going to have to add the flag thing here. Let me just go ahead and do that now. I'm going to have to do this. Let me go ahead and do this. Add the flag because now I'm going to have to when it's so 0 for when it's like just the regular item box, one for when it is the other stuff here. So, okay, add item, item. Where, find item, right? Where's my thing where I'm finding item here for items? Item tier list, add item, create an image, this. For items, child node. Where the hell do I, oh, I was gonna say, like, I know I have, like, somewhere. 0. Okay. So, okay. And so now, right, I'm going to do an if statement for this because when I do the loop, I needed to just use just the text, right? It won't be no name. So, okay. So let me, man, let's get an if statement here going. Um, if, yeah, selector equals 0, right? Now, then we execute this loop where we are going to, you know, keep things as they are. All right, I need to, gotta organize this way here. Cool. That's for that loop. And then I'm going to copy this. All right, so just like I did with the heroes, right? And I remember to close the file. And matter of fact, let me do that now. Because I already see I'm gonna forget it, and then it's gonna be another error later. Close the function, right? If you don't close these bad boys, they never work. So let's go here. All right. Selector number 1, right? So now this is when we're trying to populate the item box. So it's just going to be element, right? Because element is already going to be the string name, or right? That's what that is for the greed. I wonder. Hey, did I ever put? I don't think about it. Did I ever give it name? That's not it. That ain't gonna work. Hold on. Oh no. Logic mishap here. So let's see here. So I have, yeah, get data. When I drag the item, get data. Do I have anything already in the object that I can use? Please tell me. Oh, oh yeah. No. Yeah. No. 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 I can't use that. Can I use that? Can I use that? Hold on. Can I? Can I just feed that variable as it is into the array list with the array? No, I don't think that's not gonna. No, that's not. No. I'm stupid. No. Ignore me. No, that's not gonna work. I'm an idiot. No. Ignore me. Okay, let me think about this in a different way. Would I just make an object that just has the objects in it, and then I can just put dot? Um, no. You see, I have some very creative ways. There's like 101 ways that you could really go about doing this. Yeah, no, right? Because it would have to be defined. I don't think I can use a variable. You can't use a variable, right? You can't use a variable as a thing. I'm not gonna try that. It'd be crazy, right? But I'm not gonna try it. I mean, I need to think of a different way. I need to think of a simpler way. I need to think of a simpler way to do this. Okay, this is what I'm trying to do. My item selector right now needs the name as it is. So that's space and everything, right? The spacing in the name. So he says fruit of greed, right? That's in space. So fruit of greed. So fruit underscore of underscore greed is not going to work. And I don't know. I am very new to this draggable stuff. Get data. Can I get data transfer? Get data. Can I get the ID? Let me see something. Get data. What? like I just need to know. That is just what I need to know. Let me come here. I just need to know when it comes to the get data. When it comes to get data options. What options get data method retrieves drag data as a string for a specific type. If the drag option does not include data, this method returns an empty string. Get data format. The string represents the value of data to retrieve. The string representing the data of the specific format if the data operates as no blah 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 blah. Not returning a specifier because not all browsers enforce this restriction. Examples. Now let's just get data. Yeah, but it's probably gonna show me something stupid like more text. JavaScript text. See, get data text. Text drag target ID. So wait, drag event target ID. Oh, hold on. That might be the sauce we're looking for. Might be the sauce we're looking for here. Console log. Let me see. How did I root agree, right? Right? Console log. Yeah, so when I drop it, it's right. That's just a string, nothing more. Okay. So now what if drag event target ID? What are you going to give me? What are you going to give me? Drag event is not defined. That's what I thought. Data transfer. Drag event. Oh, but did I read that wrong? I probably read that wrong. Let me see. Drop event. What I grab? Yeah, drag event, right? Function, drag. Function. Drop. This is drag event, right? Event. So event is what I want. So event. So let me just try. Let me change drag event for just event, right? Probably just didn't read that right. Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. Blank. Gives me nothing. Oh man. Let me think. Let me think. And I said I'm not familiar with the drag stuff, so this is gonna take me. This is where I'm gonna struggle a bit right here. I'm gonna struggle at this part right here, and it is going to be dragging. It is because I don't understand. It's a blank, right? So it's definitely not finding the ID of these items. Event target ID. Do I need to hold on? Let me see how this is implemented, right? Drag event set data. I'll tell you what. Yeah, let me just can I get data? Wait, but see that's set data though. Where's the get data one? Get data text. Constant data drop event function drop event run default drop event get data text, right? Okay. Document get element by ID data. Hold on. Wait. Huh? How is this implemented here? Get element by ID. But how did it get data text? Oh, that's right. Cause I think isn't yeah. Okay, no, I think I got it now. Right. Cause isn't wait, my items I could just make it target the items in the item build with the data I have then, right? Because if I get the underscore name, I think the IDs are I'm pretty sure the IDs are the underscore name, maybe? No, I don't know. No. I don't think so. Is it? Is it? You gotta figure that out. I don't think so. Hold on. I gotta find the item real quick. Name, right? Joy of Harvest. Yeah, I know that. Joy of Harvest. I don't think ID. I'm about to do this the cheap way. I'm about to cheat this by doing some quick like string modifiers to just pull out the underscores. Replace the underscores with space, and then it'll work. Like that's probably what I'm just gonna end up doing, but I'm trying to do it the proper way first. Try to use like what I already have, but it might just be unavoidable. Right? It's a good thing no hero has like a first name, last name is all just one single name. That's why I didn't come across this issue when I was dealing with making it so that when I select heroes it changes, or it is able to pull the data out no problem. Man, I'm so upset right now because I really have to figure this out. Or I gotta think about this. So in case anybody just is coming in, what I'm doing is, right, so I'm making this item build site, and the function I'm working on currently right now is that when you drag an item, I want it so that when you drag an item to an item slot, right, the item goes into the item slot, and then it updates the hero stats with whatever modifiers, right, that item has. So that way you can actually see what it's the stats is actually adding to it. And right now I'm having an issue with identifying the actual item. But I think that solution I was just speaking of earlier, that's my fail-safe solution. It's a little bit messy, right? I don't want to have to use it, but I might just end up having to do it. And so I'm gonna try one more proper way of trying to fix this one more time, and if not, then I'm just go with this simple solution. So I'm going to look at, let me see, because I don't think the IDs are underscore. I'm pretty sure there's space. I'm pretty sure I fed it the name. Didn't I just feed it the name as the IDs? Items. Here we go. ID. Name. Yeah, so that's right. Okay, well, looks like we're doing it the string way. All right, well, okay, so this gives me the string. Okay, so this gives me the string with the name. I do not remember how JavaScript replaces characters in a string. JavaScript, let me see something here. JavaScript replace character in string. Replace. Searches a string for a value or a regular expression. The replace method changes. Okay. Text, visit Microsoft. Replace Microsoft. W3 global replacement. Blue /G. I don't know what that means. I don't know what this is. I don't know what it means by /blue /G. Oh, no. Text. Oh, this must be a keyword. And so like if you wanted to. No, I don't understand that. I'm sorry. I thought it was a global thing. Okay. Replacement returns a string for a, please get out of my way. And I am going to shrink this down. Hold on. A little bit here. Yeah. We don't need it to be. Can I? No? Can't make you smaller. I wish I could make you smaller, but alright. Says a new string with the value replaced. Method does not change the original string. Okay. Replaces all matches. Hold on. If you replace a value on only the first instance is replaced, replace all instances, use the regular expression with the G modifier set. That sounds terrible. Why would I want the G modifier? Why can't I just use replace all? Replace all cats, dogs. Text, replace all cats. What does that mean? Text. Where's the original text? Okay, I know what it did. They're screwing with me because they're not giving me the original text, and that's what's throwing me off. Text. I love cats. I love dogs. Dogs easy. Yes. Replace cats. Yes. Okay. Yeah. All right. So here we go. Right. So assuming that this should be a text. This should be a string. I mean, should be a string, right? So let me do that. Okay. Now, dragged item text. Right. So let's dragged item text now equals dragged item text dot replace all, right? And then let's go ahead and open this up, colon underscore comma and then replace that with a space, right? Let's see what we get. Let us see what we get here. All right, if I refresh it, oh yeah, shit don't even work. Open DevTools. Only got 30 minutes left. To replace all is not a function. Dot replace all. Huh? What do you mean it's not a function? Replace all. Oh, is it because I have caps? I think this one's cap, right? It's cap sensitive. I'm pretty sure it's cap sensitive. Cap sensitive. Let me refresh. And drag. Assignment to constant variable. Let's see. That's to prevent it from being changed. I get that. So does that mean I need to? If I want to do it the proper way, hold on. If I want to do it proper way, or the way that's like handle that, then I guess I could just move this replace, because I can just move this over here to this thing, and this should work. Oh, sorry. I meant to copy this. And this should work because it's a string. It's a string, right? Right? It's a string. What if? Oh boy, I don't know. It's a string. Let me comment this out. I mean, otherwise I just like not make it a constant variable, but people frown upon that. For the greed, see? Okay, for the greed. And yeah, see, it's only getting an item. All right. Inner HTML equals um what's my thing for adding an item? Uh item logic. Find item. Find item. That's the return item. I already have the item because all I would have to. Ooh, no, I don't. Don't have this. I don't have said item. I just can't. In the future, right? In the future. Okay, let's see here. What do we have here, folks? Let me think. Um, what do we have here? Items, 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 right? Child node. What did I do? If get item child node, find this item source, right? Get element by ID. Um, picture. Okay, yeah, I was just draw. Okay, okay, hold on, I got it. Okay, hold on. Class name, dropped item, new item. Does it matter? I'm trying to think. Dropped. No, I don't think it matters. Yeah, the class for dropped item doesn't matter. I think that was just that might be a legacy thing. Okay, cool. So if this doesn't matter, and we should test this out to make sure. We should test this out to make sure. HTML div element. You know something? What is this div element here? Oh, I think it's just literally just a thing. Okay, never mind. Yeah, okay. So what were we doing? We was making sure that doing that didn't just break something. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So it's not. Don't matter. Doesn't matter. Okay. Cool. Yeah. Don't matter. All right. Cool. All right. So okay. So I'm going to. I guess I'll go through the motions again, right? Find this particular item I dropped, right? So okay. So find item. Oh yeah. So yeah. Now this is where I would then feed it. Yeah. This is where I feed it the little thing, right? Because I need it like this. Yes. Okay. So constant new item. So const new item equals I needed to find me that item, right? Find me the item, and I'm going to pass to you the dragged item text and a one because that's what this is, right? Semicolon. Now the new item, that text content. Oh yeah, no, that's just okay. So that's just a legacy thing. I don't even need that either. Um, New item, right? I'm very curious. No, this wouldn't work because I don't even know what it even give it. What would it get? What would it even give it when I do that? Yeah, that's what I thought. I'm like, can I set properties undefined setting text content? Right? Yeah, that's a. Oh, it broke right here. Me comment you out. Yeah, I was like, I don't even know what it even. What do you even get? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I don't even know what you'd even give it. You're just passing the thing. I have the item. Okay, so this is the new item. Okay, so we have the item in our HTML. We have the item. Now with the item, I need to, how did I do this? Item, add an item equals document that create an image. Damn, it would be all of this. Ooh, that means I'm gonna have to copy. Can I function this? No, you can't. I mean, you can, but um, items, and then I'm gonna say dash 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 note must convert this into function to be also called by draggable logic. Because yeah, I'm about to have to really just say copy and paste this with height. Yeah, I feel like this. I feel like there should be a way where you could just duplicate. Can you duplicate a div? Can I duplicate a div? I feel like you could duplicate a div. That's gonna be like that's gonna be future me's problem. Future me's problem is gonna be like duplicating div because I feel like it'd be so much easier if I just duplicate it into the whatever. I lost where I was with my logic out right here. Okay, so right, so we're going to go here. How much time I got left? I got about 15 more minutes, guys. So hold on. She could be really busy too. Could be really busy. All right. All right. Okay. Let's see where we're at next. Okay, where are we at next on this? All right. So now this should be it right here, right? Now this should work, and my item should now be populated in here. In HTML, right? Add item. Oh, I'm tripping. No, yeah, no. Add item equals yeah. Document that create element image. Yeah. Then add item to source. Ooh. Hold on. There's going to be. I should have. I have the item, right? I have the item. So what's going on here? Hold on. I don't need to put this on the charger. It's fine. 15% battery. Yeah, I got 15 more minutes. It's fine. New item, find item, right? So I already get the item. I get the item object. So that means I don't even have to do this, right? I don't have to, yeah, I don't need this. What I need is, I need the new item, right? So added item equals document that create an ID, right? The image, right? So I'm creating the image. The source for the image is going to be the new items. Okay, so new new is going to be the new item dot image, right? Yeah, yeah. New item dot image. Yeah, that's the only thing I needed to change, right? Oh, new item. Let me copy this. Oh, I don't know if that might be a problem. If I change the ID, you think that'll be a problem? Maybe. If I change the ID to that, it might be a problem, but we'll find out. This probably might be a problem. We'll find out. And then append child added item. Yes. No. It's going into the items thing. No, I don't need to append the child. So this I can actually dump. Damn. So I can't make this a function then because it's a little too different. Unless I flag it, but I'm not gonna flag it again. Like forget that. Draggable and class draggable item. No, I don't want it. Do I want it to be draggable? Not yet. I'm actually gonna comment these for the future. I guess in the end I would want it so that you could just drag your items into the other belts. Like, if you want to rearrange it. But we're not doing that right now. So. Cannot read properties undefined image, right? Okay. Let me figure this out. So dragged item text 1, right? So when I go to find item, and is it for selector equals 1, tier list, blah, 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 element, when the element equals item list dot name, right? Okay. Console logged, dragged item. Fruit of greed. That is a string. Why? No, right? So then this should then be let us new item, right? Const new item. And then when I go here to okay, so now when I go here to this, all right, what am I getting? I get undefined. So my function is not finding the item. Why? We must go to our find item selector here. I get the element, and then I get the okay. When the element equals it's a string. I know it's a string. And when the item list, hey, hold on. So is there a problem with the way I return green entry to alpha? Man, these Amber alerts, they made this one severe. So, person for injury to an officer by Harris County Sheriff's Office. Suspect is a 34-year-old driving, blah, 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 driving a blue Ford Escape. He is on the run. All right, back at it. Fruit of Greed. Let me see something here. Fruit of Greed. Ah, would you look at that? Fruit of Greed I have underscored. How did I do that? Special one, see? Look at that. See? It be the strange this be the strangest of things you just catch. So now, right? Object. Okay. Okay. We're getting there. We're getting there. It's placed by an object. So first off, droppable container object. Okay. I am going to can I clear it? So clear inner HTML, then append the child. I think is the only way that's gonna work. Yeah. That looks like that's the only way that's gonna work. So let me come back over here to this. So if I set it, yeah, if I just set it to like a blank string or something, so let me clear it. Yeah, in HTML. Yeah. Okay. Inner HTML, let me make that a blank string. right? Because that's going to be how I erase it, so that you can't drop more than one item inside of the slot. And then for that, how the hell am I appending the job? Ooh, that's not good. Hold on. Item dot event listener for each item. Yeah, no, item dot append. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm retarded. I am retarded. Yeah, just append. Let me just get this because this just has a little bit of my things here. I don't even need to do that. I can just straight. Yeah, I can just straight. Shouldn't I just be able to just straight up just append child on it? I mean, it's a thing, isn't it? I think it is, right? So if I just can't I just item? Yeah, I should be able to just item dot append child. I should be able to just do that, right? And then just say new item. That should work. That should work. And let's refresh. Let me hit my console. Let me drag it there. Failed to execute append child on node. Perimeter one is not of type node. Uh-oh. What do you mean it's not of type node? What do you mean? Append child add item. Okay. Add item, create element, image. Meet the source. We set the attributes. Document get element by ID. Append child. Failed to execute. This is about to be a pain. Failed to execute append child on node. Perimeter one is not of type node. I'm going to hum Christmas songs while I'm slowly figuring this out. How is it not? No. I'm gonna have to actually probably Google this one. Probably gonna have to Google on node. Is not of type node, right? Perimeter one is okay. So failed to execute is not a blah 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 blah. Right? Copy and let me get some Google. Google, get this here. What does this error mean? Do I get the console still there? Cool. So I ain't gotta fail to execute, pinch out, blah blah. This can happen if I'm trying to drag and drop an image on a div. The image does not get dragged into the div and gives the following error. Okay. It's actually simple. Your function is returning a string rather than the div node. Append child can only append a node. For example, if you append child the string, the local code will never work. What will work? Document create element p is a node. Z just blah 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 append child z. But do we have to remove the null create element after appending? Charles, will there be issue information in the case you would get an extra p tag? Okay. So function is returning a string rather than a div node. I think you're or no, hold on. Droppable container for each item. We're adding an event listener. How is it not a node though? I'm stuck. I'm like kind of stuck. Okay, so like I get it. I get it. A pin child can only append a node. I understand that it's a div node. But this loop should be droppable container, right? The loop should be going through. Hold on, the loop should be going through. It's a div though. It's going through each one of these. So these are definitely divs. These should be div nodes. Hold on. For each. What is JavaScript doing? For each div node, right? Because I queried and they're definitely divs. Brev. About the this is about to be annoying. Add event listener. We can drop, you can function. You drop your function. So on drop, execute this function. Because it's an event. So this is the event. Drag the item, event data transfer, blah, blah, blah. Replace all. New item. I am not understanding why. Right? Am I crazy? Let me console log this real quick. I'm not crazy, right? Every item should be the div. This should be the div element, right? It should be. What's the item lowercase, right? It most certainly should be the div element. So why is it not? It's a div element. How is it not? How is it not how is it not a node then? How are they not nodes? Okay. Can I create this is why, Lord? Why? Why? Wait. Why? Yes. Oh God, man. I wonder if it's a is it like no, let me see. Okay, so I am going to so this is what I'm gonna do. Let me create an element. I'm going to create a simple like text element of some sort, right? Document, create element. Copy this real quick. Make a P, right? Make a little simple little P element, right? Set the inner HTML. Okay, so console that, right? So I don't mess myself up, right? So test equals document create element. Let's make a excuse me, a P, right? Okay, so this is going to be a paragraph, right? Test dot inner HTML needs to equal. We created an element, right? And so then now, if I was to sit there and then item dot append child, right? And test. I wonder what else gonna tell me. No, it worked. So why is it not working inside of the function then? Let me think. I have to sit here and I gotta figure out why, because it worked, right? So it's as I'm saying, like they're divs. Like I didn't understand why it was giving me an error code. Like you're attacking, you're accessing or running this on a div that it should work for. So why are you telling me it's not going to work? So let me now, right? Okay. So let me comment all of these out. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to console log. Let me console log. I wonder if it's an access issue. Can the function not? Probably not. Actually, now I think about. Well, no, it should, right? Because if item's global, isn't the item global? So it should just access the item just fine. It really should access the item just fine. By global, I mean like in within that function, right? Right? No, no, probably not. No, I'm probably wrong actually. As I'm sitting there thinking about it more about it, I'm probably wrong. Let me see. Okay. Failed to execute. Oh wait. Right. That's also a console log item, right? Fruit of greed. Name. Fruit of greed. Price. Make sure I'm not. Oh, Malora spray. Malora spray. Okay. All right. It's getting an item object. Huh. You see that? Now we're on to something. It's getting. That is so weird. That's so crazy. Do you see that? I'm going to look like when I sit there. I'm gonna explain to you what's. I'm gonna tell you step by step what's happening, right? So this output right here is from this part, right? It just executed this function. Yeah, it just executed this function, which is a loop. So item at this moment right here is these div items. But item inside of here, I knew it. I knew it was going to be some like weird access issue. Then becomes the object itself instead of the div element. Huh. How the hell did it even pull that off? How did it even pull that off? How is it even capturing? Because I'm not even. I didn't set the. I don't set the item. You see what I'm talking about? This is what I hate about like programming so much, bruv. I don't set the item in the box yet at that point, so it should still be the div element. It should still be the div element. But you're telling me, you're really telling me that it is. Hold on. Hold on. You're really sitting here and you're telling me that it is actually object. But let me make sure I'm actually right on this because I see I have another console log here. See that? I'm getting hyped for no reason. And probably wrong. Let's see. To greed. From what? Wait, hold on. Fruit of greed. Wait, is that? That still doesn't make any sense to me. No, that can't be right. Is there another console in here? Dragged item. Am I okay? Am I tripping now? Why is it because this is like a capital? No. Wait, am I cap? No, I'm not caps logged. Why does it make it? Why does it make it look like a capital L just because it's next to the O? Bastards. But it doesn't do that with huh? I'm losing my mind. Congratulations. I am losing my mind. Is it doing that? What? What? Why is it doing that? Is that wait? Does it just do that when it's in? Oh, so I guess just when it's commented out, it just reverts back to a regular L. Like sometimes you really gotta check these little things because I swear, like it'll throw you mad. Okay, but anyway, so okay, so both comments are out. Why is that comment not? I must be missing it, right? Yeah, it did. It's still. It's oh, I'm about to get. Oh, I'm about to heat up. I'm about to heat up. I'm about to heat up. It's a div. It's a div. It's a div. This should still be able to access this. I hope, right? This. So let's go back to here, and I'm about to heat up because if this works, I'm about to heat up. I'm gonna heat up because now we're getting to an issue where it's like where it's like it's not making it's not gonna make any more sense. I would have to so that way it doesn't erase my my answer here. Refresh, drag an item. We created an item. It appended a child just goddamn fine. So why? Why won't it? Why does it hate this? Why does it hate this? Oh, there's no way. Added item. Added. I was giving it the new item, and that's why I was no. But it's no. But the append child would have still worked. It just would have just looked it strange on the thing. So that can't be what it is. That can't be what it is. Wait, is the inner? Wait, when I blink out the inner HTML, is that what it? No, that can't be it. That can't be it. No. Oh my god, bro, I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm gonna lose my mind. Remnant one is not a. I'm gonna lose my mind. Why? It works. It works right here. Oh no, it works right here. The only okay. Okay. Slow. Go slow. Go slow before I choke this monitor out. Go slow. I created an element, right? A simple HTML element. Okay. Right? For that new created element, I just added something in there so I can see that it was, that so I can have something to look at. Okay. Right? Then it appends it without any issue. I even do it in this, and it's the same thing. Okay. 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 So now I capture the dragged item, right? And that's going to give me a string of the item name, right? I get a string of the item name. So when I drag Fruit of Greed, it captures. That's a problem for future me. I'm not even gonna think about it. Anyway, I get an item, I get the name of the item, Future Greed, right? That name is important because then, right, I then create a new item object, or create a new item where I go to my item finding function. I give it the name of the item, right, that the person dragged into the box, and a flag so that way I know I got to use like a different method versus like how I did any other one. Okay, all that checks out good. All that's fine. Now here we are, right? So that's new item. So I create the new item. Now I'm making another variable. I call this added item, right? So added item equals, this is where I'm creating a new HTML element. This is very similar to up there, right? I'm creating a new element. This one's an image. I'm creating an image HTML element. Okay. I'm setting the source to that new item's image, right? So the item that I found, and I made sure it worked, I console logged it. You can even see the comment, right? Console log, right? In order to get the image. It has the image. I set the attribute of it. I set the height, the width, and then I even set the ID name. There's nothing strange or anything going on with it. Now I go to item dot append a child. That's right. Added item. If this worked when I changed this to added item, I would have lost all understanding of the errors. I would never believe in error ever again, right? Let me explain something to you real quick before I even make this change, right? Append child will replace or add a new thing into, a particular development, right? If whatever it is appending is not valid HTML object or whatever it is, it's just going to look crazy on the thing. It'll say undefined, right? The append child will still work. That is designed to still work. I can give it anything and it is going to append. It's going to do something to the HTML element. At least so I thought. So this shouldn't work. It shouldn't work because this doesn't change. This doesn't change. God, if this works. This doesn't change anything substantial. Bro, this works. I'm going to be upset. Let me think. I just want to look, right? It's an object. This is an object. This is an object it gets, right? It won't matter. It doesn't matter. I think I even had the error earlier and it just said undefined. It don't matter. I'm just, okay, I'm gonna refresh. Refresh. Div that, oh, hold on. What you console login? Uh-oh. Div droppable container. What you console logged in here? Oh no. Well, something is different. I gotta go. But oh man. Oh, I'm glad I moved those things there because oh no. It worked. It worked. Why the oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna wake the name. Oh my god. That's that. Why? Just why? And then the console thing even look different now. Even the original original console log. The original console log now even looks different. You know what? I gotta revert that. I'm reverting this. New item. I'm reverting this. Refresh. What the what? What? How? How? That doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. This shouldn't even exit. This is not even supposed to. Oh no! Goddamn JavaScript is good. Like fucking with me now. It's really messing with me now. Rev. It doesn't even. It's not supposed to execute until it runs into the day. So was this thing really fucking with me all the time because it was actually executing the function the whole time? Like actually executing function. Hold on. When I refresh this, no. Hold on. Wait now. Wait now it's back to just normal. Oh no. I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my mind. There is no way. I just reverted it. It went back. I put back the changes, and it's still there now. Now the original change. I caught that on camera. Oh no. Oh no. I caught that on camera. Like I didn't shit. No. I put the change back and it's still there, right? It's saved. I saved it. Yeah, it's saved. Refresh. So we're gonna act like that never happened? We're really gonna act like that never happened? Oh my god. There's no way. Is there? Nah. Let me revert it back. Nah. Oh no. There's no way. There's no way. That was the only change I did. That's why Control Z, Control Y. Keyboard shortcut. Control Z, undo what you was doing. Control Y, redo the changes that you undid. So it's not like I just, typed something different. I redid the stuff that was there prior. That's what happened. There's no goddamn way. It's pretending like that, like I never had the issue. It's really pretending like I never had that these weren't different. It's lying to me. It's lying to me. It's oh my god. And I'm past time too. I'm about to get off in the next couple of minutes. But oh yeah, I got 7% on my battery anyway. It's lying to me. It's lying to me. But okay. All right. Let me clean this up a little bit now, right? I don't need this anymore. Hold on. Yeah, I don't need this anymore. Let me leave that there though real quick because I want to make sure that it's deleting. And we're wrapping this up now. Oh no. If I could digitize myself, man, into the computer board, I would stomp out everything on this screen. I would no the code. I would stomp out between the code and the brow. It's one of y'all was like actually fucking with me. One of y'all is actually fucking with me. Oh no. Okay, let me clean this up now. Let me clean this up now. All right, let me just clean this up because, like, in case I forget about it, it's gonna fuck with me. Okay, I don't need none of this. I don't need the console logs no more, and I don't need that there anymore. Let me do that. I'm leaving the comments there for commenting stuff out, but this okay. We're gonna check, make sure everything's good. All right. God help me. Um, Now what I'm interested in. Ooh, okay. So here's my plan tomorrow. If I do this, yeah, because I'll probably stream tomorrow. I think I'm gonna stream tomorrow. I think I'm streaming tomorrow. So the next thing I'm gonna work on, we got the item functionality. All right, so let's see. So hero functionality is still good, and you see it's still updating the stats just fine. Right, I can select my hero and put you at level 15, and you didn't update anything. Why? Why you know? Why? Oh no. See? Well, that's why we check, and that's why we check because, no, no. It's there. It's there. It should have just updated just fine. Is it? Oh, did I not? No, it's not updated, right? Any physical power. Get them by ID. Physical penetration. Right. Right. Let me look at this real quick. I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my mind. Why is it not working? It's changing. I'm able to change the physical power stats. All right. If I put her at level 4, it's updating with her physical power stats, but not anything else. And it's a simple targeting issue. I'm sure of it. Let me go here and look. ID, physical power, physical penetration, right? Underscore physical penetration. Dot inner HTML equals plus hero dot physical underscore penetration level -1. Am I crazy? Do my heroes have a physical penetration stat? Why is it not? Am I tripping? Why is it not physical penetration level? Why is it not? Why? Jesus, help me, God. I can't. I don't want to spend any more extra time on this, but this is gonna bug me because this shit is supposed to work. There's no reason why it doesn't. You learn by ID, right? I'm getting the stats, right? That is how I target. That is a valid target because this works, right? The physical power one works. There's no difference, right? There's no difference. Inner HTML equals, right? That's just a text, right? So this doesn't matter. Plus the hero, right? Because I got the hero. Their physical penetration, and then it's an array. Level -1. Why won't you work? Why you know work? Why you know work? I don't understand it. Okay. Let me think. Level equals document volume. Is there a problem with it? Okay, we're gonna have to something. God, man, why? Where's the thing so I can enter? Right. Let's start with this. Okay, right. So that's valid. There's no reason why it's not. Hero.physical penetration, right? So what do I no, that's not gonna work because I'm outside of damn. I gotta put this in the console. Oh, you come out. Oh, okay. Well, wait. So does that mean you get? Does that mean you also? Oh, so you're keeping track of everything. Nice. Okay, that makes it a little easier for me. Regardless, it's valid, right? So this is valid. So why is the inner HTML not working? You see this nonsense, bro? Yo, it's fucking with me. It's fucking with me. It's messing with me. How I know it's not updating? Because this is still a 2, right? Physical penetration is still the physical penetration, right? The underscore is still here and it's at a 2. So like when I refresh this, right? You see how the underscore here is for physical power and it's at a 2? When I switch this, I know it's being updated because see, everything changes. That's why I set this up this way. So why the code is valid. This is all valid. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. So let me do this again. Let me look at something here, right? Let's go here, right? Physical penetration 2 equal testing, right? It changes it. It changes it and it's not working. What is it doing? What is it doing? What is it doing? What is it doing that it's not changing? I'm crazy. Yeah. This is wild. What is up with these kind of bugs and errors? These are not making sense because there's nothing physically different from the first one. The first one works, but the other ones don't. And it's not like okay, hold on. I'm losing. Hold on. Let me see something. Aurora 11. Bro, it's refusing the why? But so when I run the code in the console, it works. There's nothing I can do. There's nothing I can do. Oh my god, there's nothing I can do. What is this? Like what is this? What is this? This is why people get paid the big bucks for doing this kind of stuff. Because when you know how to just figure out stuff like this, or you know what, let me get it back because people can always figure this stuff out. It's like to have the patience to just sit there and then try to figure out because it's some probably crazy obscured like something wild, right? That a normal human being would have no hope of figuring out. But somebody being paid would. When you get paid, you get paid. You figure stuff like this out. you know, because you have a passion for it, and this is what you do. But my God, I am running this code in the console, and it's working just fine, as it is, as it is. You know, let me take the whole thing as it is. It updated just fine. I'm gonna start. Am I gonna cry? I'm not gonna cry. I want to cry so bad. I want to cry so bad right now. But the code as it is updated that mofo just fine. What is it that's messing? On click, hero level function. Right, that's the ID. Hero level. Hero level. You get the level selector. Oh no! I'm fucking moron. That's what I'm saying. Look, see what I mean? You can spend a lot of time and you realize you're just retarded. No, there's no other way I can put this. How much battery I have left here? There's no other way I can put this. You're just retarded. I'm just retarded. I figured it out. I'm just retarded. Yes. Yes, I'm just retarded. That's all it was. I'm just retarded. I never updated the damn function. That's right, because I never updated the function to actually utilize the other one, because that's why I went through the trouble of separating it. I just never actually then told it to actually use the separated function. So it's still doing the stuff here that was originally set. Because as you can see here, document data, because this is what's been doing it right here. So I can now change this. So we got the hero, right? Right. Oh, and that's why it's global too. I'm like, how is it global? I'm sitting there in the console like, how is this global? Because the function's global. So what it created, well, no, that still doesn't make any sense, because I thought these things are only supposed to be in their own thing. Like once outside of the function, they can't be accessed. That's what I thought. Maybe that's a JavaScript thing. It must be a JavaScript thing. This got to be a JavaScript thing. Okay. Now we can do, and we might have to actually move it around too. So stat updater, right? And we can pass it the hero that we are using. Function hero level, hero, right? And I don't need this anymore. Moment of truth, guys. And then after that, we're wrapping this up. Moment of truth here. Refresh. All right. I'm gonna get phase. Yeah, when I get around to it, this thing, I'll make it use the stat updater. Yeah, because it should already have the hero. So yeah. Anyway. All right, baby. Let me see what you look like at level 18. Almost everything, right? What happened here? Oh, I didn't take the things out. Instead of doing that, I can just, was it Control R? It is not Control R. Go back. Edit. Let me put my cursor right here. Let me just clean that up right fast. What's the replace? Bro, has it really just been that long since I've like last used this that I'm just, here we go. Let's like that. Damn. Yeah, here we go. Replace Control H. Okay. Yeah. Let me get the underscore. Ugh. Never mind. Yeah, I can't do it that way. Oh well. Let me just do it this way, right? Get you, get you, and you. Delete, space, right? Change them all. And we're now happy, right? Almost happy. So now we just need to figure out why this is really pushing me past my bedtime. Like I was trying to go to bed, but this part needs to at least work. What? So there's something wrong? Something's wrong. Console. Go into the console. What's wrong? Okay, yeah, here we go. Cannot stop 3537. Hero critical underscore damage is a null property. Critical underscore damage. Did I like mess her up somehow? Must have messed her up somehow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh man, I want to do 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There's 18 in there, right? And it will start from 0 to 17. Oh, is it missing the -1? Did I forget like a -1 on it? No, it's there, right? Critical damage, right? Let's say critical damage was the one that was like given level -1. What do you mean you're not? Oh my god, bro! I can't win. Damage. Cannot set properties of null. Critical damage. Is this spelt wrong? Then this must be spelt wrong. Critical underscore. Oh, yeah. See that? Yeah. I'm like, this must be spelt wrong. Okay. I don't even know what else to. I don't even know what else I want to say anymore. But this should work now, right? Let me get my girl face. Let me get you a level 18. That's a lot of health. That's a lot of mana. Oh, level 18. Yeah. I'm like, come on. That looks really big. Yeah, but that's right. Yeah, it's like yeah, like see over 1,000 or whatever is her phases specifically. Well, it's not even her real stats too. I still gotta like I didn't get real all the real stats, but this is just all of the function stuff, right? But we're done. Okay, we're done. We got done. So what are we working on tomorrow, folks? Tomorrow we will work on we'll work on that when we drop these items in here, we then update the stats. Whatever the stat, and that'll be easy. Well, I'm not thinking about it now. I'm gonna think about it tomorrow. But yeah, once we do that, I want to say that's it, right? Is there anything else I really need? I need to get like a whiteboard. I need to write these down. I want so the functionality left on the website for me to develop is going to be that the stats get updated when you put an item in the item slots. I already made the selector. The selector works. The hero selection worked. Item selection works. I guess. I guess item stats. I guess when I click on this, yeah. So when I click on this, just like with the hero, I guess I want the same thing for the item too, so you can see the items, relevant items. And then I'm gonna stop there. The item stats, the description for the item. I'll give the description for the item, and then I'm gonna stop right there. Right, I'm gonna stop right there, and then we'll start working on trying to make this a little bit more presentable. Once we make it a little bit more presentable, then I think we'll start then working on the functions we need to put this into beta or alpha. I think it's alpha into alpha testing phase. For my alpha testing phase, I want to make a server, and my phone officially died. I want to make a server, or host a server, right? I think I'll just figure out, I'll probably just host a server on my computer, right? Yeah. I'll make a hosted server on my computer so that way I can give the IP address for no URL. I hope so I can, yeah, I'll set that up, right? So that actual public URL so people can actually then access it once I actually then make it a little bit more presentable so it makes sense. So that way then people can actually see and access it. Yeah. After that, and it's an alpha, I guess I'll just hit up the discords to like be like, hey, like this is publicly accessible now. I'm trying to get some feedback, trying to get people to like tell me what they think and what they want to, what they think should be added and stuff. Try to find some way to get that done. So get that done, like maybe a list of like, oh yeah, this is a good idea, this is a good idea. It'd be nice if somebody was to draw me up a kind of like a visual of like how they kind of would like things to be placed. That'd help me out a lot. Sort of. I suck at the then actually applying that as far as code goes, but I'm sure I'll figure it out slowly and painfully because I just visually suck at my life. But okay, we do that. Yeah. And then we're going from there, right? because then once I have it to where reliably people are able to create accounts, I want to then personally, right? Because I'm going to need to then actually host it on a real server. So I'll probably do it like on Amazon Web Services. So prior to that, I would have to learn how to do ads. I promise you guys, I will not. You know what? I might not even do it on an Amazon thing quite yet. I think I need to figure out. The biggest thing is gonna come down to cost, right? It'd be really cool if like maybe the actual Paragon company Netmarble, uh, you know, would like donate just like hosting fee or something, or better yet, just host it on their website would be kind of cool too. I would kind of like that. That would be legit, but I'm just thinking big here. Um, but yeah, it'd be the money thing. Would be the next would be the next kind of like hold back there, because if I tried to host on a real legit actual service, right, then obviously it's going to cost money. And if this was to blow up, meaning lots of traffic, that's lots of money cost, right? Because I do believe like most web hosting providers charge by the traffic. I think maybe, do not quote me on that. I'm just guessing because I'm only used to Amazon, like the way Amazon does it. Yeah, no, I'm wrong, right? Because I think other hosting services, they have fixed rates, which maybe, right? That might be something. Like if I think about going for like a fixed service, then maybe we might be able to do something. But like my goal is I want to try and keep ads to the minimum if I can, just only what's necessary to like be able to like run the website and me not have a bill of paying it, because I love you guys, but I don't love you, but I don't have money like that to just be spending it, or just to spend on something like this and not get messed up. um and then I'm about to have interviews soon, for like a new gig I'm trying to do. So um I don't know. There's a lot going on. So one step at a time, fellas. I guess one step at a time. I'm done. I'm tired. Am I gonna finish my coffee? It's too late for me to finish my coffee. It's now officially it's 12 o'clock Sunday. Oh yeah, I still got to do some quick things. But thank you guys. I want to thank everybody that actually joined and stopped by. I appreciate all the love I was getting as far as the enthusiasm for what I'm doing. We still got a lot more work to do. It's coming along really well, and yeah, yeah, guys, we'll pick this up probably tomorrow. Like I said, I'm gonna try and give it like 3 days worth of work. I'm gonna give it 3 days of work to it, and then try to make a little bit of a better schedule next week. Maybe I think if I'm not working on anything else nightly, I might maybe expand that for the entire week. No, I got other stuff I got to work on nightly too. So yeah, don't hold me on that. Especially since I got to prepare for some interviews and stuff. So yeah, that's that. So yeah, we're done. Thank you guys, and let's go ahead and we're going to wrap this up. I really got to get some better stuff in the stream too. Let me close you up and let me back up like so. The chair is. Let me get the chair still in the view and make roll up. I'm gonna have this like function out. Okay, this function out because I wanted to be able to like go out like that right, and place it out, but you can see everything there. A little moon. Do I change the color of the moon? Too bad it's not automated. I'd have to. What is it? This one? This is the one, right? Does this have even a? Does this even have like a? I think this thing even has. Oh yeah, it does. It does. Yeah, see, that would have been really nice if I could have them all sync, but hey. Oh yeah, I like that one better. That one's like better transition. What's this? This is the. I know you guys probably can't see it, but this is actually that is actually a moon. It is actually a moon here. Um, let me pull this close to you. I'm gonna see if I can pull the camera close so you guys can actually see it, and then I'll tell the stream. I'm just really happy with like what I have set up. Oh, can't I just no phone my other phone? Because I really didn't want to move this, but it's fine because I gotta do some other stuff with it. So yeah, let me go ahead and close you, levitating eyes. But yeah, this is actually yeah. So I know, yeah. Oh yeah, you can see it really well now. Like when I actually have it close. But yeah, no, this is actually a moon. It just the camera just doesn't do a really good job killing that brightness. But yeah, that's that, guys. So we're all done. We're done for the day, and we'll catch it again tomorrow. Later.